Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a Gamepass and please donate on the Roblox mobile app. First, head on over to your app and then in the lower right corner, click More. Scroll down until you see Create. Click on that and then as soon as the Create page loads, click on the three lines on the upper left corner of your screen. And then click on Creations. Once you're on the Creations page, click on your place. Click on the three lines on the upper left corner of the screen again. Scroll down until you see Passes. Click Create a Pass. You can also change the image of the pass if you want to. And then choose a name. I'm gonna do Test Pass. Click Create Pass. And then scroll down until you see the pass you just created. Click on it again. Click on the three lines on the upper left corner. Click Sales. Click Item for Sale. And then set the price you want. Let's do 100. If you want to enable regional pricing, you can. To learn more about it, just click on the eye. Now, click Save Changes. And then it should be saved. Your pass is now ready for use. Go launch the game. Once you're in the game, go to a nearby booth that's empty and then claim it. And then you should already see the pass that you made here. And then there you have it. You now made a game pass and please donate on the Roblox mobile app.